Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and if you're like me and you're a bit forgetful slash busy slash preoccupied and you tend to forget about your coffee or your tea, then maybe this Greechane mug warmer would be great for you. I love the textured, decorative look of this coffee mug warmer, and I also am really digging the soft pink feminine color. I think it would make a great gift to give to one of my tea or coffee loving girlfriends. It has 3 different temperature settings, so I think that it is so cool that I can customize it to whatever beverage I'm drinking. I really like the peace of mind that comes from the timer function as well. This means that I can rest easy knowing that this thing will turn off automatically once the timer is up. It comes with a heat protecting silicone cover too. So this means that I don't need to worry about little fingers or little paws getting burned on the hot surface. It gives really consistent heat, and I also like how the heating plate is a little bit textured, so it keeps the mug from slipping around. It doesn't matter how long I forget my coffee or tea on this thing, when I return to it, my drink is the perfect palatable temperature. This Greechane mug warmer has been the perfect addition to my space for my coffee-loving self. And that's my point of view.